Does your cat scale your curtains? Or use your sofa for manicures? Do they leave hair all over your favourite armchair? Or parkour off the furniture? Does this sound like your house? Then you need the Ripple Rug. The Ripple Rug helps satisfy your fur baby's instinctive behaviours. It's a great place to play, pounce, hide, scratch, groom, nap and sleep. Interaction with your kitty has never been so much fun. It's easy to make new shapes. Just press down and pull up to release. It folds away neatly when guests come to visit. Proudly made in the USA using recycled plastic bottles. Great for cats and the environment. Meow! Where's my Ripple Rug? What is it, Yoda? Okay, Yoda, you can show everyone how to use their Ripple Rug. The Ripple Rug consists of a top and bottom rug. The bottom rug has a non-slip coating which should be placed flat to the floor. This will prevent any slippage when your cat pounces on your rug. There are touch points located on the underside of the top rug. The touch points allow you to attach the top to the bottom rug. As you can see, I can press down with the touch point and I immediately have a new ripple or a new cave. And these are designed to help you shape your rug in lots of different ways. You can see how easy it is to remove a touch point just with a little tug of the carpet. If I want to change my kitty playground, I simply pull it up and stick it down. The touch points can be folded up on themselves to help reinforce new tunnels. Speaking of tunnels, you can actually roll the Ripple Rug up to form your own tunnel. The Ripple Rug has various holes of different sizes. Some for paws to fit through, and others that your cat can dive in and out. Safety slits around the medium to large holes allow for additional expansion. Our cat just can't get enough of her Ripple Rug, and neither will yours. In fact, when you try and shape your rug, don't be surprised to have your cat playing with you all the way. We look forward to hearing your Ripple Rug stories.